Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'll show you how to keep your account private on Facebook Lite. At first, open the app on your phone. Here we are on the home page. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Now we are on the menu page. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Here you can see various settings and privacy options. Scroll down and tap on Profile Locking, which is under Audience and Visibility. Now, to confirm locking your profile, tap on Lock Your Profile tab, which is at the bottom of the page. And with that, your profile has been locked. In your profile, you can see that you have enabled Profile Lock on Facebook Lite account. And that's it for today. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit share and subscribe to the channel for more.